Here is Florida East Coast Railway Train 103, crossing the Crane Creek Bridge in downtown Melbourne, Florida, headed south. This train is reportedly over 11,000 feet long, which for my international viewers is over 3.35 kilometers long. I will have a quick Brightline construction update on the new bridge here at the end of the video. With the train now passed, here's a quick look at the Brightline construction progress here on the new bridge. The next section of beams are on the temporary trestle, ready to be installed. Two special spans will offer a higher clearance for boaters, with the new bridge being roughly a foot higher at the location of these spans compared to the old bridge. On the first two spans that were installed on the north side, work has begun on forming the bridge deck with rebar and forms for concrete now being assembled. Melbourne Avenue will be closing this upcoming week, so work can begin on the new bridge across it. The new bridge will have an additional 11 inches of clearance over the roadway. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Also check out my social media pages.